So the mice have built nests and stuff in the, I guess mice or chipmunks or something. Ah, oh yeah, look at that. So I don't want to start it like that. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord, Lord, Lord. Look at that. That's not good. All right, for now. Oh Lord. Yep, even inside there. Well, I want to put my hands on all this stuff, so I went and got some gloves. Amazing. This is amazing. Okay, no idea at all how this is going to come out on camera. But I've got gas in it. Got it cleaned up pretty well. I know I checked before to see that oil. It's got oil in it. Looks like nice clean oil. Got the air cleaner off. I got some helping starting fluid. And I'm going to see if I can give it a jump start. I had it spin, so I know it'll spin, but will it start? Hey dear. Let's see what happens. Maybe. I don't know which is which here. The camera's there, so you need to be over there. You'll want to come around this way.
Okay.
Let me spin it over again and then just spray down there like that. Okay?
Yep, I've done this before.
Let me spinner first. Okay. Try again. What's happening? What's the matter?
It's coming out.
I see that. Yeah, I don't know which is. Which is which. Let's see. What's this one do? That one goes, well, it comes in. So let's figure this one probably does the same thing. Okay. So that's probably choke right there. Okay. Now. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so I probably got a carburetor that needs to get cleaned up. The gas is there. Let's just try her one more time. Wait till I get it done. This time, after it starts like that.
Yeah.
Alright, so next job will be put some of this stuff together and clean the carburetor.
Work on the boat.
Thanks. Well, I've got the lawnmower running yesterday. So this morning I'm asking myself, well, I'm thinking I need to put the deck on. And then I'm asking myself if I'm going to put the deck on. Oh, hey. Hey, ground squirrel. Chipmunk, what are you doing there? Did you see him? You saw him. Well, so like I say, I'm asking myself, wouldn't it be a good idea to sharpen the blades before you put it on there? Because it's hard to do once it's on there. So, I guess. Then you've got the deal. Okay, so I sharpen the blades and then I put it on. And, okay, so now the whole thing doesn't work. So I wasted my time sharpening the blades. But if you don't sharpen the blades, you're going to have a lot of wasted time. Well, I checked my blades and they are actually pretty sharp. But while I was checking, I found that hole. And I've been wire brushing it, cleaning it up. And found me some sheet metal. Welding magnet. And although I haven't welded anything in a long time, I do have a welder. And I'm going to give it a shot, but I'm not going to. I remember years ago that you used to wreck cameras by taking pictures of stuff like that. I see people do it now. But also you can see that I put on a long sleeve shirt. Stuff like that, so. See if I can get this thing set. I don't really want to get all the welding in the picture. But maybe it'll be okay. I don't know. Hate to wreck my camera. Okay. That's not. Let's try something different. I'm having an awful time with camera settings. So I don't know what I may have recorded and what I didn't record, but my mower deck, when I checked to see if it was sharp, I found that I had a big hole rusted in it. And I'm a really not a very good welder. Well, I got a different welder that I could have probably done better with, but I don't have a 220 setup here. And so I got the 110 volt welder that apparently I didn't get a very good one. I can't blame the welder, it's probably me, but anyway. So I cut a piece of steel and put it in there, and I welded it. And those are definitely old-time farmer welds. Although I'd say the newer farmers probably weld as good as the tool and die welders at General Motors where I worked. But that said, we're done with this for now. I'm gonna let it cool off. Gonna go in and have a cup of coffee, play with my puppies for a little while, and then come back out and see if I can mount this thing. Also, got to get the seat mounted, and there's the old seat there, which is all split up. Yeah, it's all split, and so I pulled it off of its metal part, and I wanted to put this seat on it, but the mounting's totally different. So I'm gonna take this piece off of here and mount it on here, drilling a few holes and so on. We'll see what we got to do that, but we're gonna do what we can. All right, bye for now. Thanks for watching. Somehow I got to figure out how to hook all this stuff up. You wouldn't think it'd be too hard. I mean, I did take it off. Besides that, there's belts and stuff up here I've got to figure out too. I'll get her though. Okay, so I have mowed a little lawn with it. Let's see, got a jumper.